a 2011 Hyundai Genesis. So we added the MAGNAPACKs, part number 10415. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it's got the 2 1/4 pipe, secondary converters there. Then we put 2 shiny, beautiful MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs. One on each side, right there and right there. Part number 10415. We'll put a link in the description if you guys want to purchase it. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, straight out the back. These muffler deletes been done by somewhere else. And this is the difference between good pipe and cheap pipe. It rusts a lot faster. And then he left the original tips, just reused them there and there. It's a Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter V8. When it was straight pipe, it reached 117 on the sound decibels. So we'll let you guys hear it now and show you what a difference these MAGNAPACKs do. 2016 Hyundai EQUUS V8 5.0 beast. Anyways, it's got stock converters there, right there, and right there. Then it's got secondary converters there. And what we got done on it, we cut the resonator off and put 2 flow effects. Part number 71415, right there, 2 of them. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want them. Really pretty. Then we got 2 1/4 pipe, and we did a rear muffler delete there and there. There's the 2 massive mufflers we cut off. There's the mid resonator we cut off right there. There they are. That's what they look like. That's after. That's how you do a muffler delete on them, and flow effects in their place in the middle. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you guys think. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Much better. It's a lot cleaner sound now, as you guys can see. Look at the difference in sound decibels. Go ahead. So it peaked at like 109. It brought it down to about 10 to 12 decibels, which is not bad at all. From 117 to 107, 110. And it's a lot quieter at idle too now, as you guys can hear. A lot quieter. Still sounds good though. Hyundai Genesis, baby. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Leave us a subscribe, please, and hit that like button if you like that sound. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Hyundai EQUUS. Ooh. Damn. That's what you wanted, right? All right. There's sound right at 113. There's everything we cut off. That's perfect. Hit the nail on the head. That's their luxury line, man. Beautiful cars. Oh. What do you guys think of the sound? That sounds good. Let you guys hear it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. can leave now. Okay. No, go that way. You guys going back up here or the freeway?
Going up that way.
Yeah, just go through there.
I'm gonna get on the gravel before I get on it.
Yeah. Genesis. He said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. Beast mode. There goes. Let's see if he gets on it. Hopefully he does. Flow FX and rear muffler delete. Flow FX in the middle. Yeah, that thing's fast.